I take this opportunity to introduce our next guest of honor. And Dr. Anita Rani, a few words we request you to please kindly talk to us about NABL and its role with us.
Very good afternoon to all of you. Myself, Anita Rani. I'm Joint Director, NABL. And in NABL, I'm looking after the PTP RMP accreditation activities. And one new scheme is there in the NABL, that is MELT scheme. So before giving a brief of the new initiatives of NABL, I would like to thank CAHO for inviting us in this doctors forum. It's really my great pleasure to be here and say a few words in this doctors forum. I really know very few of the doctors, like Dr. Lalu Joseph is there, Dr. Venkatesh, Dr. Vicky Gupta, and many others are there. So thank you so much. And I would like to congratulate CAHO for initiating this diagnostic center. Very heartiest congratulations to CAHO. So as a formal thing, NABL is a board under Quality Council of India. And NABL has initiated a very few schemes. One of the scheme is MELT scheme, which is applicable. May CAHO Diagnostic Center also may go for that, or very new labs like who are performing basic testing to quality practices, and they are providing quality healthcare for the majority of Indian citizens, very basic testing labs. They can come under this MELT scheme. MELT is Enable Medical Entry Level Program, and it is totally a PT participation based schemes. If the lab has participated in PT, they can submit the application, and the process is very simple. If your application is okay, then it will take hardly 1 or 2 days for granting the accreditation under this MELT scheme. And now the very few things about the scheme is this scheme is applicable for very limited scope. If you will go to the website, there is an orange color icon on the NABL website. NABL website is www.nabl-india.org, where you can go. There is an orange color icon where it is mentioned as NABL MELT scheme. If you will go inside that, the masters are there. So scope is very limited under this scheme. This scheme is applicable for HIV and few parameters of clinical biochemistry, hematology, clinical pathology, and infectious serology. So scope details is given in that page. And this scheme, as I have told you, this is based on satisfactory PT participation. So whatever scope the lab is applying for, they have to submit the evidence of PT participation, satisfactory PT participation. That is the only requirement. Other than that, if legal identity is required, and yes, there is one important thing, that you have to participate with the accredited PT providers that are accredited with NABL, because this scheme we have launched only for the Indians laboratory and for Indian PT providers, because we have judged their competencies. So we know that whatever our PT providers are doing, they are checking the competency. And this scheme is valid for a 3-year cycle. 3-year, one time you have to apply and you will get the recognition for 3 years. In between, there is a surveillance. And as far as application fees is concerned, very nominal fees is there for rupees 15,000 plus GST would be there. And once you have got the laboratory will get the recognition or accreditation under MELT scheme, we will display the information on our website. Directory is there, NABL 900 for that MELT program. So this is all about the new initiative MELT scheme, that is medical entry level scheme, that is launched by the NABL. Other than that, there are many new initiatives of NABL is there. I hope Shweta will take care of all these things. And once again, congratulations to CAHO team. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Anita Rani, for the words of wisdom from your side regarding NABL and the MELT program.